Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by laying the framework so writing is focused. Open Word and pick a Thesis template or create a blank file. Set margins and a readable serif font. Next, define styles for title, heading levels, normal text, and captions so Word applies formatting consistently. Insert header/footer and choose page numbering style for front matter versus main text. Save the file as V1 and enable auto recover. These first actions prevent rework and keep your structure intact as you proceed. Once the framework is ready, populate it methodically. Draft an outline and apply heading styles to each chapter and subheading so the navigation pane and table of contents generate automatically. Insert figures and tables with captions and use cross-references rather than manual numbering because Word updates them reliably. Add citations via the References tab or your citation manager. Then insert a bibliography so sources remain linked. Make sure to use paragraph spacing and section breaks for consistent page layout as you expand each chapter. To finish, clean and lock the document. Update the entire table of contents and all fields by selecting all and updating fields so page numbers and cross-references are accurate. Review track changes, accept or reject edits, and run Document Inspector to remove metadata. Export to PDF using Print to PDF or Save as to preserve formatting. If formatting collapses, clear direct formatting, reapply styles, or revert to the last stable version. This troubleshooting path usually restores consistent layout without redoing content.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.